What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Today, we're going to talk about a little crypto. We're going to talk about the state of the market. And I'm going to put forth a challenge at the end of this video. Okay, good people? That and more in a sec. So we're going to discuss a few things today. There again, I am in transition, building a new studio, and I've been putting a lot of work into it. This is going to be a 3-day weekend. Mondays, the markets will not be open, so it'll be a short week. Remember that. And I'm experimenting with the audio and trying different lenses right now, but I want to just get you guys the best that I can. All right, we're going to get right into it, and then we'll further discuss. Let's just start out with Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin hit 50K. It's just doing very well right now. So we got Bitcoin at 50K. We got Ethereum that hit 4K. Remember, if you've been rolling with me, we picked it up at 1700. And then we got Solana over 68% this week, up over 68% this week. And of course, we got ETH, Cardano at $3. And so it's crypto is just doing a thing. And I don't believe that this is the spike at the end of the bull run. I really don't. I think we just have a lot more headroom and a lot more growth in crypto. And so, you know what, let's just do this right off the top with crypto, and then we'll get into the market. So with crypto, I say this: if you're not into crypto and you still got cold feet, I understand. I will tell you personally, I tested the water and it feels good. It's safe to come in. But there's more and more adoption with major institutions with crypto. So here's what I would suggest for you to do. I have a Webull link below, and you don't have to use Webull, but I do my trading in Webull. Now, I have Coinbase, but I keep everything I'm buying in Coinbase as far as crypto. I'm holding it for the next 10 years. I'm not trading it. But I'm doing some swing trades in my Webull account. So here's what I would suggest for you to do. Do paper trades. Even if you don't understand it, do paper trades. So let's just say somebody was doing a paper trade. And even now, if you think crypto has ran and left you, let's just say someone purchases about $20,000 worth of ADA, Cardano, at $3. And they're going to do a buy the rumor, sell the news. All right. This is just a test, right? Remember, this is not get like me. This is the stock market. Let's just say hypothetically, you did a paper trade and you just put 20,000 in, right? And you bought $20,000 worth of ADA at $3 just as a test to see, was it too late to get in? And what you're going to do is sell it either on the 10th or the 12th. Before the smart contracts come. This is a test I'm doing called buy the rumor, sell the news, right? Remember, I said paper trade, okay? That means you're not trading with real money. This is not get like me. Remember, you want to do your own research on that. That's just something for crypto, okay? Let's keep it moving. Let's talk about the market, right? Today's job report, as you guys know, was dismal. It was weak. That's not good for the stock market. It's a 3-day weekend, so we expected the market to be mostly red. We knew that yesterday. Whenever there's a 3-day weekend, people just don't want to run the risk of something happening over long periods of time. And so a lot of people just stay out of the market, right? Some people do profit taking, whatever. And so these red days on Fridays, when there's a Monday holiday, it's just kind of a thing if you're new to investing. And you kind of expect it, right? And so that was no biggie. Actually, most of the market was just flat. And it was no big deal, right? It's not the sky is falling and all of that. All right. So I know I'm bouncing around. Let's get back to that. All right. So I want to put out a challenge, and I'm going to say this at the front of the challenge, and that is my challenge. I'm going to call out 4 YouTubers. Now, I'm going to call out these 4 YouTubers not because they're the best YouTubers on YouTube. I'm going to call them out because I'm curious as to what their answers will be to this question, and they're vastly different. Okay? And so I just want to say that. And I respect all of these gentlemen. I don't agree 100% with all of them, just like they don't agree with me. And here's the challenge. My challenge to these gentlemen, because I think they're brilliant, I have respect for them, is if you had 4 stock only, just 4 stock that you can buy at a 10% discount. Remember, 10% discount from where they are right now, right? 10% discount. Those are the rules. 10 and 12% discount. And if you can only buy 4 stock after they fail 10%, what 4 stock would they be, right? And we'll discuss that later. And I'm going to call their names, and I'm going to leave links to their pages, all right? And here's why. You're going to see some common stock. And this is for stock that you could set it and forget it. I absolutely believe that if you invested 75% and swing traded 25%, you'll do well long term in the market. Everybody has their own numbers. That's what my number is. So let me call out who these gentlemen are, right? The first one is Stock Curry. Stock Curry, I believe, was an investment banker. And don't quote me on that. His name is Stock Curry. Every now and then I watch him about, once a week. Sometimes he'll just come up, he'll pop up. But when I want to check what the market is doing, I will actually check it against him. And I like the way he does his research. And I agree with him a lot with the market. And so sometimes you don't want somebody that you always agree with in the stock market. You want to look at both sides of the coin. There's some times when he'll come out and I'll disagree with something he says. And I know these gentlemen will disagree with a lot that I say. But you need to keep people like that on your watch list because they help you become a better trader. So Stock Curry, if you would accept this challenge, give me 4 stock that if you could just set it and forget it and dollar cost average from now for the next 10 years, what would those be? Now, it could be 2 stock and 2 ETFs. It could be 4 ETFs or 4 stock. So I'm going to put that challenge out to Stock Curry. I'm going to tag his page. I want you guys to go and ask him. All right. The second one is Matt Coors. Matt Coors covers AMC every day. But Matt Coors, I've had personal conversations with him, and he is so much more than just AMC, though he's doing a great job with AMC, a wonderful job with AMC, but he's so much more. And I want to know from a younger person, and I wanted to know from Matt Coors because he's been doing this for a long time, okay? So I didn't really put anybody that's new on this list. These are people that's been doing it for a long time. All right, so I'm going to provide his link below. You guys go and ask him. Okay, tell him Uncle Larry sent you. Tell Stock Curry that also too. And a third one is Ian Dunlap. Ian Dunlap. I'm going to provide his link below. Now, you're going to see that he has a small following on YouTube. That's only because he just started it. He has a humongous following. He's with a network that have over 700,000 on Instagram. And he's been doing this many years. I just left InvestFest. He's one of the guys that I listen to. Okay, good people. His name is Ian Dunlap. And he's absolutely, I believe he's just brilliant. Okay. Now, he does a lot of stuff for minorities. Okay. That's what they do. His focus was to bring minorities into the stock market. So you're going to hear him using some terms. You're going to be like, when he's just talking generally. But in the stock market, he's got something that everybody needs. Ian Dunlap. And the fourth one is Stock Mo. Stock Mode does a lot of analysis too. These guys, all of these gentlemen have been in the game a long time. So there again, here's my challenge over this 3-day weekend. I want to know from these gentlemen what for stock, if you could get them at a 10% discount, and you literally were going to hold these stock for 10 years and you were going to dollar cost average over the 10 years, what for stock will they be? Now, they could be for stock. They can be for ETFs. They could be, you could mix it up any way you want to, but that's what I want to know. And then what we're going to do is just compare and see if there's some common stock. And so I always suggest for you guys never to just listen to one YouTuber. Always listen to different people. And here's most important to me that works for me. I listen to people I disagree with because sometimes you'll find the other side of the coin. I guarantee you, you guys are going to see something that's going to cause you to make a lot of money. And it's going to cause you to be in a better position in your portfolios. Okay, remember, Stock Curry, Matt Coors, Ian Dunlap, and Stock Mo. Reach out to those gentlemen. Tell them Uncle Larry sent you or Larry Jones sent you. And we're going to go from there. All right, good people. All of the merch that you see on my page, there's a promotion. All you have to do is put in Sunset, SUNSET, and you'll get 10% off of anything you order from now until Tuesday night, midnight. Okay. Sunset is the code that you put in if you make a purchase. And last but not least, you guys know I have the links below. I have Webull, which I'm going to make the swing trade, the paper trade, buying spending $20,000 in the ADA. Remember, paper trade, do what you want to do. And then I have Coinbase that I buy all of my Solano, ADA, and all of that. Deposit $100 in that. I got a link there. You're going to get free Bitcoin with that. You're going to get free stock with Webull, and then BlockFi for your big, purchases on Ethereum and Bitcoin. You're going to get free crypto with that also, and they have a credit card. All right. Just check out all the links below. All right, good people. So this to me is more important and more helpful than me just giving you another hot stock, because when you see, hopefully these gentlemen respond, you're going to see something that's going to cause you guys to make a lot of money and help you to create generational wealth. All right. I'm yours truly, Larry Jones. If you're new to the page, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. And if you've been rolling with me for a while, I know it seems like I ask all of the time, but it does help me to stay out there. Hit the like button and share and continue to share the page. A lot of you guys have been sharing, and I love and respect you guys for that. Have a safe weekend. Don't eat too much barbecue. I'm trying to go half vegan, so y'all help a brother out with that. All right, we're going to end it right there. Live, love, laugh, and learn. We'll see you later.